Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to claim a voucher code on Nodepay step by step. If you've received a promo code for extra credit or a discount, this guide will help you redeem it quickly and easily. First, open the Nodepay app on your device and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, go straight to the menu. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile tab in the bottom corner. In the menu, look for an option called Redeem Voucher, Promo Code, or Voucher Code and tap it. Now you'll see an input field. Carefully type in or paste the voucher code exactly as you received it. That includes capitalization, numbers, and any special characters. Then tap Submit or Apply. The app will process the code. If it's valid, you'll see a confirmation message, like voucher redeemed successfully or your balance has been updated. You should also see the added credit or discount reflected in your account balance or next invoice. If there's an error, double-check the code for typos. Some codes expire or are limited to one use, so make sure it's still valid for your account. If the code is valid and you still get an error, try restarting the app or contacting Nodepay support for help. Once your voucher is applied, feel free to explore your updated balance or enjoy the service with your new discount. That's it. You've successfully claimed your Nodepay voucher code. If this helped you out, go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.